Come on, Nala. Come on. Let's go. Let it girl. Beautiful day. Getting closer to Pine Peak. Nice big pines. Alright, we made it to Pine Peak. We've been down a couple of times since the winter. The tarp was all shredded to pieces. One of the chairs finally gave in and ripped. So, yeah, I have a lot of plans for here, which we'll talk about after. We just got here from the woods, and yeah, we're ready to make something to eat, so we'll be back in a little bit. Nope, that's good. These branches might be a little wet, so I'm hoping this pine will. Let's go. I've just discovered this bag. See my beer cap? This side pouch is just the perfect size for a beer bottle. Inside, my cup. So, I need 2 hands to get this out. Alright, here we are. Beer and Bushcraft. Bushcraft and beer? I don't know. Today, just got a nice little fire going. We're gonna cook some craft dinner over the fire. It's been a while since I've been down here, and yeah, the tarp, the wind just tore it to shreds, but not bad for, I think, a year and a half. Anyways, gotta watch my battery life here. Throw this down. So this is the Illin IPA. I did 10 bottles. Oh, good hiss on that, eh? Throw that on the swinging chair so I can take that out. And some good carbonation. I had posted on Facebook or Instagram my last one that I had in my keg. Sad sight, but it's definitely over carbonated, and I think that may have a lot to do with the hops. I used a lot of hops in it, but well, the color's quite nice. It's too bad that this got shaken up. Shaken. Cascades. This is going to be a really weird beer review because I have to be quick. Wow, tongue-tied today. Speak slower. Anyways, yeah, I want to film some of the cooking of the craft dinner on my new cook set that I got. But the color is quite nice. It's a nice caramelly. Hopefully that shows up on the camera. I'm not entirely sure, but I can smell the hops. I do have some nice floral. Unfortunately, you know, I'm not a beer connoisseur, so all the smells plus fire isn't being very friendly with the smells. But I gotta say, if you've got extra hops or you want to do something different, buy a bunch of hops and do a hop tea, because this is really good. Super bitter when it was green, you know, when I first kegged it. But the bottles, now that they've aged, let's see, a month probably, approximately. The hop profile is really nice. The Cascades come in nice. The Pearl have a nice little spice to it, so I'm quite pleased. So yeah, you know what? Give hop teas a try. It's a lot of fun. Hi Nala. This is my daughter's dog. She's a Great Pyrenees. 11 months, let me think. Yeah, 11 months old. Absolutely loves the woods down here. So yeah, here's to beer and bushcraft, everyone. Cheers. Hope you're having a great weekend. Hopefully you got out and enjoyed some of the sunshine. It's March 18th today, the day after St. Patty's, and yeah, I don't have a hangover. I don't drink like that anymore. I enjoy beer too much as it is, so cheers. 17. Oh wow. This is perfect. And I'm just really glad that this bottle didn't pop from the carbonation from walking in. So my fire's starting to settle down. I'm going to put this off to the side, and I'm going to get some macaroni on the fire here, and we'll come back. Alrighty. Yeah, I don't have my gloves on. I should. Ooh, that top's hot. I should have my gloves on. Alright, so this is a new cook set I got from on Amazon. It's on my birthday money. I'm going to throw everything everywhere so you watch. So, I've been itching to get outside to use it. It's a little bigger than the last set that I had, which I'm very pleased about. So, stay tuned. We're going to cook up some KD out here in the woods. Alright, gonna mix in the cheese sauce here while we still have lots of water. We don't have a strainer in the woods, so mix in the cheese sauce while there's still lots of water, and then that way you just keep a close eye on it until most of the water is evaporated out. So we'll just give that a good stir. We're getting close. We're getting close. Alright, macaroni is done. I'm just going to pop it in here in some mugs with some spoons. And we're going to enjoy. Well, Nolly looking for some too. You know what, babe? I'll save you some. But it's really hot. You gotta wait. It's really hot. Alright, look at that. Macaroni is really good in the woods, but this is super hot, so we'll come back after we enjoy it. Alright folks, hopefully you enjoyed the video. My battery light's flashing critical, so I gotta end this quick. Macaroni was great, you know. The beer, Illin IPA, definitely try, you know, doing hop teas, and you know, go outside the usual brewing norms, you know, and have some fun with it. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? You didn't really like it? Anyways, cheers everybody. 17, thanks for joining in. And wind's picking up. We're about to head out, so thanks for joining again. Shout out to all my subscribers who've joined me. I'm creeping up on 7,000 subscribers. Wow, that's fantastic. Cheers and thumbs up for you know, watching me for this long. But anyways, my battery's gonna die. Anyways, hopefully you get out in the woods this weekend, enjoyed some of this good weather. But before my battery dies, we'll catch you next time.